Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have the number, now act. First, normalize it with the country code so services return consistent results. Next, note any context you remember because that speeds filtering. For example, past texts or missed calls narrow possibilities. Choose one primary method to begin, a reverse phone lookup service, a carrier lookup, or a search in public records. Once you've picked a method, open that tool and enter the normalized number, making sure to double-check digits before submitting. Once the initial lookup returns results, verify them across at least 2 sources to avoid false positives. Use carrier lookup to confirm the provider and whether the line is mobile, landline, or VoIP, because accuracy varies by line type. Then search social networks and messaging apps with the number in quotes to find linked profiles or posts. If names match, cross-check location and timestamps. Make sure to note discrepancies and flag unverified leads for deeper confirmation. You're ready to finalize. Compile confirmed details like name, carrier, approximate location, and line status into one summary. If results are ambiguous, expand to payment or government directories and check historical records for reassigned numbers. Once done, validate by sending a neutral, permission-seeking message if appropriate. If searches fail, try troubleshooting. Use a VPN, clear cookies, switch to another lookup service, or reformat the number with international prefixes. Often those steps reveal missing matches or fix geolocation errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.